Hello, hello, hello. Grand Rising. Do you see what I see? Do you see any birds hanging around? All you will see is crows, blackbirds, and buzzards. The times are changing. The seasons are unknown. Do you see what I see? This is your Dallas spiritual reader. I wish I could say, peace be still, because the world is not still. Do you see what I see? Do you remember the band? Earth, Wind, and Fire. Listen to that name. They used to sing things like, would you mind? Let's grow. September. Keep your head in the sky, they say. Let me show you why. If you subscribe to me, I always have told you, when death comes, a white vehicle be there. Do you see what I see? Colorado is on fire, they say. Earth, wind, and fire. It is said that the fire started at 10:30. Do you see what I see? Hell is on earth. If you can see, we are living in apocalypse time. You see, the spirit is not happy with man. Technology is taking over God's work. So you know, when God don't believe in you, he's all right with your God. Satan coming in. You know, Lucifer always wanted control. Now that we have these goats running the government, you're seeing more evil. You're feeling more evil. Homelessness is everywhere. Do you see what I see? As the firefighters defensively try to fight the spirit of fire, the smoke, the inhalation of it in your lungs takes your air. This pre-apocalyptic times is taking people livelihood. It's taking hotels, homes. It's taking the people to another side of their mindset, making it difficult for people to get away. The clouds shows the anger. Do you see what I see? As the government tries to control us with vaccination to weaken our minds, allegedly, to gain control. You know, if a person is weak and you come and make them weaker, the destruction of that person will show. Do you see what I see? Every time the numbers go up, there will be fire. You know, God destroyed the world in Genesis. He said he would never do it again. He's going to leave that to man. And with the technology boom of trying to take God's place, allegedly, there's a lot of demons running around with greed, destruction for the poor. It was a packed Chuck E. Cheese. Parents had to run their kids out. Evacuation is not easy when there are little babies, little souls, and smoke is everywhere. with ash everywhere, even covering the people. 18-wheelers flipping over for no reason, but because of the wind, it flips the truck over. Do you see what I see? The apocalypse is here. 1,600 acres in a town burned. The whole town is gone. There are towns that the whole town has to be evacuated, even the hospital. Do you see what I see? If there's no air, there's no us. If there's no light, there's no food. Do you